Hello, Marcus Bronzy here from How to Kill an Hour. Time for another episode of What's in the Box. Today we're looking at the Air Up. It's a bit of a hybrid device, the Air Up, combining two things that we both need, but do we need them together? One, a ring light, because obviously ring lights, we all need lighting. We all need lighting. If we ain't got lighting in here, things look horrible like this. We need lighting. But it also combines a fan and something else. Let's get into the box. Woo! Woo! Okay, we've got this box here which has got some small print on it which says remember to charge me fully before use. Let's pull out a charger and let's plug this in. Let's see if we're going. It's got solid red light on it. Oh, it's fully charged. Oh, thanks. Nice when you get things sent charged. At the base, we got the top, and we got, what else we got? We got some glass, and we got big manuals. That's all right. And we got what looks like a phone holder as well. Okay, so from all of these pieces, we can deduce that this is a fan ring light mirror hybrid, all powered by this base, which I think can also be battery powered as well. So we don't need to plug it into the USB, but it's also got a USB out on it as well. So I think it's also a USB charger. Right, let's get it together. This clearly just goes in here. Okay, so this clearly goes in here. There's some sort of locking mechanism where I've got to, oh, that's locked into place, okay. And for starters, how do we get, there's some sort of touchscreen. Oh, this spins around as well. Oh wait, I don't think I've got this on the right way around because I want this to face me. Gosh. Together quite well. Right, safe to say this has been put together. Safe to say that this is firmly in place. It's firmly in place. So right, let's see if it works. The power is on. Press the button here. Power's on. Well, there's this interesting little kind of set of buttons that I need to press here. And I think I've just pressed one by accident. It's a fan. I need flowing hair for this, don't I? 3 settings of fan. Off. Yes, yes. And it's also got a ring light. Hang on. A dimmable ring light. Right. It's also got a timer. There seems to be some timer buttons on it as well. And, let's get this light in right. This, if I'm right, there's a little clip. Let's turn that fan off. It's a little clip which I can have my phone to. So wait, 1 second here. Have we got the all-in-one air-conditioned fan? I hope it's strong enough to hold my iPhone. Ugh. Let's get some light up in here. Put it on cinematic mode to be glamorous. Can I spin it around side? Can I spin it around a bit as well? I think so. There we go. So here we go, here's the AirLit all set up. Throw that light on, make it a bit brighter. Look at that, bit of fan. Woo! But that's not it. But that's not it. It also comes with a mirror as well. How does the mirror? I'll stop that recording now. I mean, come on. Mirror, check. Fan, check. Ring light, check. Phone holder, check. USB. Actually, oh, there's a USB on it as well. Oh, I need a USB lead. Oh, stay off. The USB lead. Let's get a USB lead from somewhere. I think we've got one here. Here we go. I've got a USB lead, right? Just need my phone. My phone. Oh, my phone's here. No way. It's charging my phone. Look, it's charging my phone. Look. So you're trying to tell me someone's invented a ring light, mirror, fan, iPhone charger, can work cordlessly as well once you've charged it up. So you're trying to tell me I can take this on the roads. No, seriously though, shout out to AirLit. This is a simple but effective combination of gadgets. If you've got any other questions about it or you want a link to get one, check the description below. You can find us at How to Kill an Hour on all social medias. I am at Marcus Bronzy, MarcusBronzy on all social medias as well. There's plenty of ways to kill some time out there. Thank you for killing some time with us. Love this, yes. Doing fan and charge at the same time. That is sensational.